Welcome back. Due to the certain technical issues, were not able to live telecast the 11 to 14 group boys there. In the meanwhile, now we are starting with the 14 to 17 junior girls finals. This is a 10,000 meters inline track eliminations about to start. Couple of girls have not reported in the 14 to 17 junior girls category. Those are from Telangana, Chandigarh and MP, as well as one again from MP, so and one from Rajasthan. So 5 skaters didn't report. We are starting with the finals now, and in this I would also like to mention that I would not be able to go through your messages as of now. Now with that we have started with this junior girls elimination race, 10,000 meters. In this we have Gopika from Tamil Nadu, Naimisha Sridhara from Karnataka, Nia Chirag Dhavi from Maharashtra, Sukham Kaur Soni from Punjab, Ayushi Jitendra Singh Gaur from Gujarat, Faha Rashid from Kerala, Manasa from Puducherry, Triti from Haryana, Ram Sitti Supriya from Andhra Pradesh, Tabanna Saini from Jammu Kashmir, Lakshita RS from Tamil Nadu, Varshini Aparna from Karnataka, Ruchika Manoj Vashnik from Maharashtra, Hargun Hundal from Punjab, Patel Sachi Montubhai from Gujarat, Anjana Santosh Kumar from Kerala, Nivarthi Naga Sahasra from Telangana, Ashia from Chandigarh, Panimozi from Puducherry, Agrima from Haryana, Muhammad Hanifa Mehnaz from Andhra Pradesh, Ruby Yadav from Uttar Pradesh, and Bhavya Bajaj from Delhi. So these are the skaters here. Announcement made, warning given, and to ensure that nobody touches, this is 14 to 17 junior girls, 10,000 meters elimination in progress. This is the direct finals happening there for these skaters. Well, not expecting much of action happening anytime soon. And as I mentioned, I would not be able to read your messages in the live chat for now. Our apologies for that. Continuously trying to improve, like providing you other experiences. We are working on this aspect also to ensure that there aren't any issues that hamper the enjoyment part while we live stream. In the meanwhile, the skaters are following. See there, a skater from Punjab, slipping, falling, but back in action. Back in action there, that's Punjab skater. In the meanwhile, PY64 has been eliminated. PY64 Panimozi from Puducherry has been eliminated. Things and going, and the other one slips as well there. UP skater there. Getting Haryana HR61 leading the pack though they are. HR61 is Dhriti from Haryana. Around 43 laps to go. And going smooth. Again warning, no pushing coming, the warnings coming in. Ensuring that those skaters play fair and smooth. No pushings is the message. Haryana 60. Agrima from Haryana has been given a first warning there. Agrima from Haryana has been given a warning. In the meanwhile, Punjab PB65 is now leading the pack there. PB65 Hargun Hundal from Punjab leading the pack. Followed by Chandigarh. No forceful entry is the warning given to the Haryana skater Agrima. Punjab still leading. Attack coming in from outside. We're not expecting much of action happening anytime soon. Like I mentioned before, it's going slow, smooth. 39, around 14 laps to go. Going slow, smooth. Not much of action expected in the initial stages here. Change in the order. G Gujarat now. GJ69 Patel, Sachi Montubhai, AP as well coming in. Still going slow, smooth, steady there. UP69 appears to be nearing the danger zone there. The Punjab skater still leading. And as I mentioned, UP69 Ruby Yadav from Uttar Pradesh has been eliminated. In the meanwhile, the pack's gaining pace. It's the Delhi skater now, DL65. Skater from Delhi. Delhi skater there. DL65, Bhavya Bajaj. And we see slipping there one, immediately followed by the Kerala skater there. Speed gaining up. Karnataka though in the meanwhile gone ahead now. Karnataka, action coming up now. Karnataka, KA6 and Varshini Aparna now. Now it's the Kerala skater who slipped before, KL70, Anjana Santosh Kumar. Getting into the danger zone. Got to be pretty kind of careful. KL70, Anjana Santosh Kumar has been asked to stop skating, overlapped. In the meanwhile, Karnataka still. PY66, the other one to be eliminated. Manasa from Puducherry, eliminated there. While the pack again slowed down there. Going with a sudden burst of energy and then eliminating a couple of skaters and then going down slow. Appears to be the strategy there where the skaters still KA67, Varshini Aparna from Karnataka. Yes, pretty much there in the front. Attack coming from the Maharashtra, MH69 there. MH69, Ruchika Manoj Vashnik, MH69 now ahead, leading the pack. KL69 could be coming into the danger zone. It's the KL69 could possibly be coming, the pack coming closer. KL69 coming into the danger zone now. In the meanwhile, Maharashtra skater still leading there. MH69 Ruchika Manoj Vashnik from Maharashtra. The 29 laps to go. Elimination on arrival. The bell goes. Eliminate. KL69, as I mentioned before, was getting into the danger zone and has been eliminated. It is the elimination round going on now. Elimination on arrival. The last skater to cross would be eliminated. Now it's the HR61. HR61 Dhriti from Haryana has been asked to stop or overlapped. And it's the Chandigarh player now, CH64. CH64 Arshia from Chandigarh. CH64 leading the pack. 14 to 17 junior girls. Elimination rink 10,000 meters in progress. The finals are in progress there. Boys have been asked to get ready. 14 to 17 junior boys participating in the elimination 10,000 meter race have been asked to get ready. So now a change of order do we see? Not much. They appear to follow a strategy. They will take a sudden burst of fast movements, eliminate a few, and then they go slow. So again a bell. That means got to be careful. 25 laps to go. 26 laps to go. Elimination on arrival. Chandigarh still leading. Telangana moved to the second. Jammu Kashmir in the third, and Punjab fourth. Haryana, and then Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. So this is the sequence as if now. Again, AP 68, 67, AP 67, Muhammad Hanifa Mehnaz from Andhra Pradesh has been asked to stop. AP 68 as well has been asked. AP 68, Ramisetti Supriya has been asked to stop. Both the skaters from Andhra Pradesh have been asked to stop because of they are overlapped. In the meanwhile, Tamil Nadu now TN70, they are leading. Gopika from Tamil Nadu, coming from Haryana. Chandigarh was up in for a second there, but it's again back to Tamil Nadu. GJ69 has been overlapped, eliminated. GJ69 has been asked to stop. TJ69, Telangana. PB63 as well has been asked to stop. Sukham Korsoni from Punjab, eliminated there. In the meanwhile, Maharashtra gone ahead. Leading the pack there. It's still Maharashtra MH69, Punjab following very closely. Haryana leading the attack coming from Karnataka. KA67 again leading there. KA67 Varshini Aparna from Karnataka. Varshini leading there. KA67 Jammu Kashmir is now in the second position. Jammu Kashmir being pretty good in these games. JK59 Tamanna Saini there. Moves down to the third. Haryana moves to the second there. While Maharashtra still leading the pack. So it's Maharashtra, Haryana 6-0. Haryana 6-0. The skater number Haryana 6-0. Agrima from Haryana was given a warning there to ensure that fair plays are being conducted. No pushing or forceful entries. Karnataka still leading. Haryana, Jammu Kashmir. Attack coming from the other skater. Now it's the bell there, so it's elimination on arrival. We may see a bit of movements there, especially at the other end, lower end there. Punjab in the danger zone. The skater from Punjab there is pretty in the danger zone. Let us see how it goes. Telangana is coming in. In the meanwhile, CH64 has CH64 Arshia from Chandigarh has been asked to stop. Well, Telangana now ahead. Telangana TN70 Gopika from Tamil Nadu again leading the pack, closely followed by Delhi skater. Tamil Nadu again, and it's elimination on arrival. Jammu Kashmir, as the skater from Jammu Kashmir appears to they're trying to move in, and now it is Telangana TG69. Yes, Telangana TG69, the skater from Telangana. Nivarthi Naga Sahasra. Nivarthi Naga Sahasra from Telangana was there, eliminated. Again, another round elimination on arrival. Tamil Nadu leading comfortably, Delhi and Punjab going neck and neck there. Its elimination on arrival. Jammu Kashmir skater from Jammu Kashmir was in the danger zone. Manages to move a bit in front now. Again, MH69. MH69. Ruchika Manoj Vasnik from Maharashtra. And in the meanwhile, it's the skater from Tamil Nadu, TN70. HR60 Agrima from Haryana has been eliminated. Going strong there, Tamil Nadu skater TN70. Elimination on arrival, the message. TN70, Gopika still leading the pack there. But Delhi, Karnataka, Haryana, absolutely everybody moving in. Karnataka pushing in harder there. Jammu Kashmir again appears to be in a danger zone, but we'll wait for the official. Punjab. PB65 eliminate PB65. PB65 Hargan Hundal from Punjab has been eliminated, and then the next again the elimination lap going on. Karnataka still going strong. Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, the first three in the elimination arrival, anybody's game, and there we see it's Gujarat. GJ66 Ayushi Jitendra Singh Gaur from Gujarat. Ayushi has been eliminated now. So it's a kind of pack moving a little bit faster. 6 laps to go. Elimination arrival, 6 laps to go. Expecting some kind of action again. Jammu Kashmir now moving, trying to find a gap. They are trying to move ahead. Jammu Kashmir, and it's moving, trying to move in. Elimination on arrival. Maharashtra could be in danger there. Maharashtra, or was it JK, Jammu Kashmir? MH68 eliminated. MH68 Nia Chirag Dhabi from Maharashtra. 4 laps to go. Elimination on arrival. Jammu Kashmir moving front. It's the attacks coming in from left, right. 3 laps to go. Elimination on arrival. 3 laps to go. Elimination on arrival.
मैं सिर्फ 3 घंटा आपसे मांग रहा हूं. इस 3 घंटे के अंदर मैं आपको एडवांस एक्सेल के फॉर्मूलाज के साथ
KA69 to go next. Arrival on elimination there. JK59, so JK59 Tamanna Saini from Jammu Kashmir has been eliminated. The 4 in there, going neck and neck. Action now coming in. Last lap to go. TN69 eliminated there. It's the last lap now. TN69 has been informed to stop skating. Lakshita RS from Tamil Nadu. In the meanwhile, the game's over. That was an amazing race. The boys coming in now, 14 to 17 junior boys, 10,000 meters, rink elimination.